everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about a serious financial milestone that feels like a dream for many, hitting your first £100,000. It sounds like a huge number, right? But what if I told you it's entirely achievable, even starting from scratch? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I'd approach making my first £100,000 if I was starting over in the UK, focusing on practical, actionable steps. Now, a quick disclaimer. This isn't get-rich-quick advice. This is about strategic planning, consistent effort, and making smart financial decisions. But the principles I'm about to share have helped countless people build wealth, and they can help you too. So if you're ready to transform your financial future, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Before we even think about investing, we need a rock-solid foundation. Step 1. Budget like a boss. You cannot make £100,000 if you don't know where your money is going. Use a budgeting app like Monzo, Revolut, or a good old-fashioned spreadsheet. Track every penny for a month. Identify your fixed costs, rent and bills, and variable costs, treats and entertainment. Look for money leaks, those small, forgotten subscriptions or impulse buys that add up. Cut them out. Step 2. Debt annihilation, high interest first. If you have high-interest debt like credit cards or personal loans, that's your priority. Prioritize paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. The interest you save is essentially guaranteed returns. This is especially important with credit cards, which tend to have the highest interest rates. I remember when I had £5,000 of credit card debt, and it felt like I was running on a treadmill. Getting rid of that was the best financial move I ever made. Step 3. Build your emergency fund. Before any serious investing, you need a safety net. Aim for 3-6 months of essential living expenses in an easy-access savings account. This stops you from having to sell investments at a loss if something unexpected happens. The amount is personal and depends on the industry you work in, your responsibilities, and if you are employed or self-employed. Look into easy-access savings accounts, such as Flexible Cash ISA or an easy-access saver. There are loads out there, and your bank will likely offer their own version. Do some research, as you may as well get the highest interest rate you can. But easy access to your money is the name of the game with the emergency fund. Now to supercharge your income. Saving alone will get you there eventually, but earning more will accelerate your journey to £100,000 dramatically. Step 4. Boost your main income. First, negotiate your salary. Research industry averages for your role and location. Be confident and prepared to argue your value. Most people will get a raise if they ask in a well-thought-out manner and have been adding worth to the company. Keep a list of all those little wins over the last 6 months and don't be afraid to sell yourself. Chances are they already like you, and the thought of recruitment scares most busy managers enough to try and find a bit more for people they don't want to lose or positions that can be hard to fill. Now, upskill. Are there courses or certifications that could make you more valuable at work or open doors to higher-paying roles? Online platforms, local colleges, and of course YouTube offer great options. Consider a career change. Sometimes, the fastest way to a significant pay rise is to move into a higher-paying industry or role. If your skills are movable, HR, IT, or finance for example, then look at working in industries that pay the most. Step 5. Embrace the side hustle. This is where a lot of people make huge strides. Brainstorm your skills. What are you good at? Writing, graphic design, social media management, tutoring, web development, dog walking, cleaning, or even crafting. Look into platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Etsy, or local community groups for opportunities. Consider things like starting a blog, a YouTube channel like this one, or creating digital products once you have a bit of capital and expertise. In the short term, delivering for Uber Eats or Deliveroo, virtual assistant work, or becoming a local tutor are widely available options. Right, this is where your money starts working for you. It's time to be smart about saving and investing. Step 6. Maximize your savings rate. This is arguably the most important factor. The more you save, the faster you will hit 100K. This is different for everyone, and the most important factor is to just start. Aim to save at least 20 to 30% of your net income. But if you can only do 5%, then start there. The biggest improvement you can make is just starting. Automate your savings by setting up a standing order the day you get paid. Adopt the pay yourself first principle. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill. Step 7. Utilize UK tax-efficient accounts. This is crucial for keeping more of your hard-earned money. Stocks and shares ISAs are your best friend for long-term growth. Any profits you make within an ISA are tax-free. Which one you open depends on many factors, and we will cover the differences in a future video. For now, though, aim for one with low costs, such as Trading 212 or Invest Engine. They are both examples of what I use myself. I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't personal investment advice, but what I have done is detailed in Step 8. Another great option is the Lifetime ISA or LISA. If you're saving for your first home or retirement, the government adds a 25% bonus to anything you add up to £4,000. You can open one up to the age of £40 and can contribute until 50. Private pension, SIP, or workplace pension. Don't forget your pension. You get tax relief on contributions, and often your employer contributes too. This is crucial for long-term wealth, but less accessible for your immediate 100k PAN goal. Step 8. Diversified investing. Keep it simple. Focus on broad market index funds, or ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These track a wide range of companies, giving you instant diversification and generally lower fees. A global all-cap index fund and an S&P 500 ETF. Don't try to pick individual stocks unless you've done significant research and understand the risks. As I said, this isn't financial advice, and you should consult with a qualified expert at this stage, as everyone's circumstances and risk appetite are different. Think of it like buying a whole basket of fruit instead of trying to pick the single best apple. If one apple goes bad, you still have the rest of the basket. Understand that investments can go down as well as up. For a £100,000 goal, a medium to long-term horizon, normally 5 years plus, allows you to ride out market fluctuations. Part 4. The mindset and discipline. Building £100,000 isn't just about numbers, it's about your approach. Step 9. Stay consistent and patient. This is a marathon, not a sprint, but most people can achieve it. Compound interest is your friend. The magic of compound interest means your earnings start earning their own earnings. The longer your money is invested, the more powerful this becomes. Don't panic sell. Market dips are normal. Stick to your long-term plan and don't worry because of the news or what a friend tells you they heard from another friend. Step 10. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist the urge to immediately upgrade your lifestyle to match it. Celebrate milestones, but funnel the extra income into your savings and investments first. Step 11. Educate yourself continuously. The world of finance is always evolving. Read books, follow reputable financial news sources, or amazing YouTube channels, and keep learning. There you have it. My roadmap to making your first £100,000 in the UK. It requires discipline, smart choices, and patience, but it is absolutely achievable. Remember, every single pound you save and invest is a step closer to that incredible milestone. What are your biggest takeaways from this video? Are you already on your journey to £100,000? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.